Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another airdrop earning opportunity from a project which is called OrverxHub. So OrverxHub is Solana's first social gaming arena built on X, and they have raised 1.7 million in funding. So their concept is interesting. Basically, here your X account is your character. So you can build your clan, you can play games and complete missions. For that, you will earn ORVX or SOL tokens. I'll show you how you can participate, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, for all updates regarding airdrops and crypto news, make sure to join our Telegram channel. I'll provide all the links in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you can find this page link. So after landing here, first you need to connect your X account. So click on continue with X. Then you need to authorize, and then you will land on this main dashboard. So here you will see some tasks which you need to complete. So on the left side, click here. Then you will find the scan option. So here you can claim your one-time ORVX airdrop based on your X profile and history. So click on scan now. And if you see this error message, then you can try later. So back to the task section. And to complete tasks, for example, click here. Then it will redirect you to Twitter. So like the post. And then come back and click here. I did it, verify. And it will be completed. Again, click on the next one. Then again, it will redirect you to Twitter. So like the post. Go back, verify. And done. Similarly, you need to complete all these tasks in the same way. So for completing task, here you will see your total points, and also you will see your ranking, etc. Then on the left side, click here and you will find the invite and earn option. So here you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to boost your points and ranking. Then here you have the leaderboard section. You can track your ranking and see all people's rankings. Also here you have a few more options which you can explore. So that's it for this video. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.